All right, so I'm going to take a look at a use case where we have a 502 bad gateway. And in this case, we're going to sort of load up the cluster where we know that issue might be arising from. To figure it out more clearly, we're going to use the visualization tool and try to load up the namespace where that application is living on. So I'm looking for it here. Uh, okay, I think it's in this namespace. So I'm going to select it as context. And once I select it, I'm able to, actually, it's this one. I'm going to select it now, load up the agent, and I'm going to ask it, or I'm going to tell it that I'm seeing a 502 bad gateway error and try to identify the root cause of that issue. So I'll go ahead and type that in, and it should be able to identify it fairly quickly. The idea is to load up the issue and then try to remediate it within a few minutes. Let's go ahead and load that up. So basically it's saying that there's a port mismatch and it's offering me two options to fix it. So one is fixing the container port declaration. It's recommending this, but option two is just changing the target port. Okay, let me think. Yeah, I think we're going to go with option two just because in the sake of generating a PR, that might be the easiest way to go. So I'm going to go ahead and troubleshoot it, or I'm going to directly ask it to generate a pull request to solve this issue. So let's see if it figures out. So we've been tuning the agent. Okay, it's asking me which repository to work on. That's going to be tuned in the next few days. Should be able to identify it since we're connecting to GitHub and to any other GitOps, by the way. Okay, so here we go. So generating the fix in, okay, let's load up the GitHub. Let's see what the PR looks like. Okay. Okay, so here our pull request states the problem, kind of the solution, and then the changes. Let's take a look at the changes it made. Okay, so it just changed the target port. Let's go ahead and merge that, and then we'll take a look at our Argo CD and make sure that it's synced up. Let's merge now. Let's go to Argo CD. Okay, quick refresh. Should be able to sync. Yeah, okay. It's been synced. Now we go back to our URL with D502 by that gateway, reload it, and it should be fixed. Okay, there we go. That's it. Super straightforward.